Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove watermark from TikTok videos. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application. So actually it doesn't matter what device do you have, Android or iPhone, the steps are the same. So then, if you want to download your own video without watermark, all you need to do is to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Here it is, and then you need to record some short clip. So if you already have this video, all you need to do is to open your gallery and download this video from your gallery. So as for me, I will record some short clip like this, and then on the right side click on the red check icon. Here it is, and then next button. Then in this interface you need to click on the more options button, and then you need to make sure you enable save to device button, and then save post with watermark is disabled. So this is very important. So after that you can click on the post icon. So wait a little bit, and then after this video posted you can go to your gallery, and then as you can see this video downloaded without watermark. But if you want to download someone else's video, all you need to do is to open that one video, then on the right side click on the share icon, and then click on the save video. So after that wait a little bit, then go to your gallery again, and then as you can see this video downloaded with watermark, and all you need to do is to click on the settings icon at the bottom of your screen. Here it is. And then at the bottom right corner click on the crop icon, and then all you need to do is to crop video like this to hide this watermark, and then at the top right corner done button. So this is the second way how you can remove watermark from TikTok videos. So and that's all, and that's how to remove watermark from TikTok videos. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.